Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do that turbine exhaust exercise in Onshape, and despite lacking a lot of surface tools, it went quite well. So let's have fun with Onshape. Let's create some planes first. So go for plane with an offset. And that offset should be, for the first one, 300. Confirm. Another one, again with an offset, 320. Confirm. Another one with an offset, and that should be 680. And another one with an offset, 700. Then I will need a line, so I will do a sketch on the front plane and just draw a line like that and make it maybe 100 in length. And now I can do a plane with an angle, so go for plane, switch to line angle, that would be the line. And the angle should be 10 degrees. And okay. Let's start with our first sketch on plane 2. On this one, I want to do a sketch. Let's look from here. And I need two circles, one circle diameter 100, another circle diameter 24. Now let's put that center onto that plane and that center onto this plane. I will need two lines, construction lines, so let's go for a line from here to this point and beyond. Let's do like that, and one from this point to that point. Make it a construction line. Make this one a construction line as well. Add dimensions. This line should be 375 and that line should be 205. Okay. I need another line which is somewhere over here, and it should be tangent to this circle, and it should be tangent to that circle. Now let's try to get the end of the line and draw it a little bit up. Now let's extend this one up to here, and that one up to here. Then trim. I might have lost the dimensions, so let's dimension it once more. This should be 375, and from this one to that point it should be 205. Now let's go for a trim. Trim here, here and there. Trim, trim and trim. And finish that sketch. Let's do an extrude, and hopefully I did it on the right plane. Yes, I did. So go for an extrude with that sketch. It should be a surface, of course, and it should go up to face, up to that face. No, sorry, up to this face here. Yeah, and confirm. Next sketch on this plane right here. That's a circle, diameter 735. Draw some lines, one line up there and another one here, and make this a construction line, that one a construction line, make, where is the collinear, I make it, that's wrong, so undo. This was not by intention, so I'll go for coincident and put this one onto that plane right here. Yep. Now trim and finish that sketch. Let's make another extrude. Should be a surface with that sketch right here, and it should go up to the face of that plane and confirm. I can't use 3D splines because I cannot extrude them, so I will go for 2D splines. So let's make a sketch on the front plane, and I need a spline which goes from this point and edge to that point and edge. So in order to use this correctly, go for project convert this edge, not the point, but this edge, like this, and that edge as well. Both of them should be for construction only. Did it work? It's hard to tell. Now it works. Same here, put this one just for construction. Okay, now I can use the spline from this point to that point, and of course, yeah, spline, and just escape, and now make this tangent. So this one and that spline should be tangent right here, and also on this end, and confirm. Now I can do an extrude. With that sketch I have to go for surface. With this sketch, maybe not in this direction but the other, go for 20 and confirm. Another sketch now on plane 5, that's the one with an angle. Again, project these edges, put them to construction mode, okay, now draw the spline like this, and of course this one should not be for construction, so switch it. Now tangency between that one and this one, yes, and between this one and that one. Close that sketch, make another extrude, go for surface, turn it around, make it 20 and confirm. Now I could do it with a fill. If I select all those edges, like that, and change this to tangency for all of them, and I don't want to merge it with all, just with this surface and that surface. So merge scope this one and that one, yes, that's okay, and confirm. I would get a surface like this, which looks pretty good. If I go for the loft, so I will just undo that by deleting it. If I go for a loft and a surface, and I want this edges, so click here and add those. No, not like this, but click here like that. Okay, then select this one and then the guides, I could change it to tangent, not to profile, but match tangent and match tangent. No, sorry, match tangent. And then I could use the guides, one guide and a second guide. There is no way to select tangency, so I think I will go for the fill. Go for fill, select those edges like that, go for tangency, tangency, and so on. And I don't want to merge it with all, but I want to merge it with this surface and that surface. Okay, so that's crazy. Okay, like this, and confirm. So I could hide this one. Let's take a look. Should be, that's surface 1, surface 2, and surface 3 could be hidden. Okay, now let's make a mirror of this one. Go for mirror. I want to mirror, yeah, that's a part. The mirror plane would be the front plane. And confirm. Now I can go for a circular pattern. I want to pattern those two parts, and the axis would be this one, and I need 18 instances. And confirm. Now in order to do my cone, I want to hide all the surfaces, so go to hide all surfaces. A new sketch on the front plane. And this one would look something like that. I need 2 fillets, one fillet here and one fillet there. Maybe change this to a bigger value, to 190, and another fillet here, not 190 but 135. Then I had to get rid of that small line and put those 2 points coincident, and I also need tangency. Okay, I will need tangency here as well. Let's see if it's already there. No. And this has to be horizontal aligned. Now add dimensions. This should be 253. The distance should be 160. There should be an angle of 22 degrees, and the distance between that point and maybe that plane is 33. So that didn't quite work. Undo it. Let's maybe move or just add a relevant dimension, this one, which is 805. So now put that point coincident on that plane, and I should be able to change that dimension to 33, like that. Confirm and leave that sketch, and now let's make a revolve, a surface. The axis would be one from the first sketch, this one, and I want to revolve sketch 6. Full, yes, and it's a new surface, and confirm. Now let's see where we have to go, because I don't need all surfaces, only a few of them. So I could show all surfaces, and there's one which I want to hide. And there should be another one here which I want to hide as well, and that's surface 3. And if you want to unite those surfaces here, you have to thicken those surfaces and make a Boolean operation. Otherwise, I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye.